Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to switch between mono and stereo on your DJI Mic Mini. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've been using mono mode, but you want to go ahead and switch to stereo mode just because perhaps you're doing an interview. You actually go ahead and set that up. Now in order to do this, there's multiple ways you can do it. First is plug in your DJI Mic Mini into your iPhone. Now once it's plugged in, go ahead and open up the DJI Mimo app or install it if you haven't already. And then once it's actually loaded, you're going to see this pop-up appear that says DJI Mic Mini detected. Go to settings, click on go to settings, and then this window here is going to pop up. And so with it, you can actually scroll down and switch between mono and stereo audio channel. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and switch between mono and stereo audio channels on a DJI Mic Mini. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.